Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Honeydue couples financing app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add and link your bank account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Honeydue application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address as well as your login code. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the activity page. Now, if you wish to add your bank account, you can either go into the balances option and then click the add button at the top right corner, or also click on the track a bank account option. From here you will find the connect with your bank as well as the add account manually option. Now if your bank is supported by the application, then you can tap on connect with your bank and you will now be asked to log in or continue with your Finicity account. Proceed forward and simply search for your bank. Once you have found your bank, just click on it and then proceed forward with the next button. When you press this button, you will be asked to enter your account credentials for your bank account. Just enter your login credentials, such as your username or your email address and your password. Once you have entered your credentials and you have logged into your account, your bank account information will now be visible within the balances page. In case your bank is not supported by the application, then you can still add your bank account from the add menu by adding your account manually. Choose the add account manually option, and now you can set up a nickname for your account. Then just enter your bank's name and then choose your currency. You can then enter your current balance and also choose the type of your account from the various different ones that are available. You may also choose who this account belongs to by choosing whether it belongs to you, your partner, or whether it is a joint account. Finally, you have the option of setting the visibility. Once you have added your account information, tap on the Save button. And now your manual bank account information has been added within your balances section. If you wish to add more accounts within your credit or debit card, you can go into the same option to add your account manually once again. From here, you can choose credit or debit card as well as investment and checking. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your bank account on the Honeydue application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.